Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kitty Cass, and today we are doing an unboxing of Owlcrate. If you don't already know what Owlcrate is, it is a monthly subscription box that you get one young adult novel and some bookish items. I may or may not have over blushed today. I was using the ColourPop blush. If you haven't seen a full face of ColourPop video that I did on a budget, I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, so this month's theme for January is Vengeance Will Be Mine. And I did more of a Hades inspired eye makeup look and a little bit of the lipstick. If you hear any munching in the background, it is my cat Salem. He's just eating because he's hungry. So yeah, without further ado, let's just crack this baby open. I believe it is $29.99 US. Get you a little peek. Okay, so we got a spoiler card. We're not gonna look at that. Ooh, I see some socks from Crooked Kingdom. Yep, they look really cute. Oh, you hungry again? Sorry, guys. So if you hear any munching, it's Salem. Okay, so we got the socks. And, ooh, we got a little bag, a little Owlcrate bag. Oh, that's so cute. So what's in here? I've got Words in Your Soul. Oh, cool. It kind of looks like it's like a pill holder, or like, you know, your earrings are kind of bugging you. You can take them out, that kind of thing. Looks pretty cool. Very sturdy. And it's got like a little mirror, so that's good to have in your purse. And it's a cute little case to keep it in. And we got a candle. So this candle is called the Collector. It has fresh blueberries and ginger. Very cute, very adorable. How does it smell? Oh my god. It smells like heaven. Oh, blueberries. Oh my god, and there's glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it. Oh, I'm not huffing all that glitter though. Okay, and oh my god. Oh. Okay, so if anyone knows me, I have a Lord of the Rings tattoo right here. It says Define Gravity in Lord of the Rings Elvish. Shout out to Anton. He translated it for me, and that's his handwriting. Look! There's a map! I'm so excited. And there's the Misty Mountains. Oh my god. I don't know where I'm gonna hang it, but I'm gonna find a spot. Somewhere I'm gonna find a spot. Because that has to be hung up. It's beautiful. Ooh! And right, so this is another Harry Potter mug. I have a bunch of them here. Which one is it? Oh, it's awesome. Okay, so very, very cute. I believe this is the Order of the Phoenix. Yes, because there's Miss Umbridge right there. So we got the mug, add to my collection. And we have a pin. So every time you get one of these boxes, you get a pin that has to do with the book. So we have Blood to Blood, Name to Name, Bone to Bone. No shadow, you may not eat that. And it's really cool. It looks like somebody holding playing cards and daggers. We have the book. So in every box you get a book that is signed by the author. So we have Scavenge the Stars. We'll take this out. Oh, there's a little drawing of a boat. And they leave a little note for you there. And there's a cute little drawing of a little boat right there. So there you go. So in every box you get a signed book. And then on the bottom you have a like kind of activity book and it'll tell you the original cover that they had, and then the Owlcrate cover, and there is some crossword puzzles, and yes, they have another playlist. I like listening to their playlists. Oh, it's apparently inspired by the Count of Monte Cristo. Well, that's cool. And next month's theme is The Power Within. And there's going to be some playing cards in it. Not bad, not bad. So yeah, definitely a favorite box of mine. Just because of the Lord of the Rings stuff in it. And also, this is such a good idea. You know, for those times that you have Advil or something you need to keep in your purse. Or, you know, you're wearing really dangly earrings and you don't want to really wear them the whole time because they're starting to hurt your ear holes. And the candle. Well, self-explanatory. Candles are usually a no-brainer. I'm wondering how the glitter will melt, but it smells glorious. I kind of want to burn it right now, I'm not going to lie. And Simba's already trying to get in the box. I got a Simba in a box. You're a heavy boy. So, I had a really good time with this box. I hope you guys had fun with me. Ooh. I hope you guys had fun with me. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great one. Also, comment down below your favorite item in the box. And, you guys have a great day. Bye.